Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In my today's video, I shall be sharing with you a recipe. This is a recipe for a shampoo which is made of neem and methi. It not only makes your hair healthy, it also makes your hair smooth and silky. It gives volume and it helps in fast hair growth. This is a very easy method of making a shampoo at home. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make any shampoo, you will be needing Soapnuts or reetha, which is easily available. They have lot of benefits for your hair. They contain vitamins like A, D, E and K, which make your hair shiny and smooth. They also have a sapoins, which is the lathering or foaming agent for your hair. It contains antibacterial and antimicrobial properties which keep your hair healthy. This also provides nourishment to your hair and helps to reduce hair fall. The next ingredient is Moong or green gram. I have taken half a cup of it. Moong is rich in protein and antioxidants which help to repair and strengthen the damaged hair follicles, reducing hair fall. It also has essential fats and minerals which will reduce hair breakage. This can also moisturize your hair. It has antioxidants which will reverse hair fall. This Moong will be easily available in the kitchen, so you can use it. If you don't have Moong, you can also use Moong powder, which is very good for your hair. The next ingredient is fenugreek seeds or methi. I have taken half a cup of this also. It has an excellent conditioning properties which can reduce dryness and frizz. Regular use of this fenugreek will help to reduce itchy scalp and prevent flakiness. The next ingredient is neem leaves. I have taken half a cup of it. If you don't have neem leaves, you can use neem powder also. It is not only good for your hair but also for your skin and overall body health. It has good minerals and vitamins. It has also got fatty acids and antimicrobial properties which will reduce itchy scalp and dandruff. It also reduces hair fall. It can keep your scalp in good condition with regular use. If you have neem oil, applying neem oil also will reduce lice or dandruff for young kids. So this is a very versatile ingredient. It is a must for your shampoo. Once you have collected the ingredients, it becomes simple and easy for you to make the shampoo. So whenever you are making shampoo, make sure that you are using it for only 2 to 3 washes, and the amount of ingredients depends on how many times you use the shampoo. So whenever I make shampoo, I will use it for 2 or 3 washes. This is for my shoulder length hair, so I require very less shampoo. Therefore, I am using 5 to 6 of these soap nuts. If you have long hair, you can use 10 also. I am going to crush it and remove the seeds which are inside. So it becomes easy for me to soak this and squeeze it well enough to extract the juice of this soap nuts. I've taken a bowl, added all the ingredients like the soap nuts and methi, the moong dal and the neem leaves. Pour enough water. Like I am using 1 mug of water, that is 500 ml of water for this much of ingredients. So soaking this for a while and mixing it well enough will ensure that all these ingredients are soaked. Once you have mixed the ingredients, place it on the stove. Let the fire and allow it to boil for just a minute or so that all the ingredients becomes soft. You can see that the water is already frothing because of the soap nuts. You can put off the stove at this time. Once you have removed from the stove, close it and let it settle for 4 to 5 hours or even overnight. So the next morning you can see that the soap nuts and all the other ingredients I have soaked well enough. It is very soft to touch and you can simply squeeze and remove the goodness of all the ingredients into the water. Squeeze well and this will help to make your shampoo easily. Once you have done squeezing well enough, you can strain the water and the residue can be ground into fine paste and extract more of the shampoo. Your homemade shampoo is almost ready. Once you have done with squeezing the last bit of the shampoo into the bowl, this is ready to be used immediately if you are using. In case you are planning to store this for a longer period, then this needs one time of boiling so that it kills the bacteria if any. So you just need to boil it until it boils just for a minute. Put off the stove and allow it to cool completely or overnight. The next day your shampoo will be ready to be bottled and used. So this is how the shampoo looks. So the all natural homemade shampoo is ready, which is free from harsh chemicals or preservatives or fragrances. So this is a very gentle shampoo to your scalp, therefore you can use this on the kids also. And the best part of using homemade shampoo is that you can customize it. That is, you can add any of your favorite ingredients. You can follow the steps but include your ingredient also. You can bottle this up and keep it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 days or for 2 to 3 uses. This much of shampoo I will use for 3 washes to my shoulder length hair. So if you are using this shampoo for the first time and if you feel that there is a little bit of dryness in your hair, you can apply oil beforehand. That is, before using this shampoo you can apply oil to your hair, steam it and then use this shampoo. Otherwise you can add little bit of your store-bought shampoo, little 2 to 3 drops of that shampoo to this natural shampoo, mix it well and then use it. Here I'm going to demonstrate how this works on oily hair. I've just greased my palm, that is, I've added a little bit of oil to my palm, and I'm going to use this shampoo. Work up lather. This is how you should use it on your hair or any hair for that matter. Work up lather and wash off like how you would regularly wash with warm tepid water, and this removes oiliness. The point I'm trying to make is that this is very good for all hair types, and it will not only remove oiliness but also the dirt and dust pollution, whatever you have on your hair, it will remove. Once you wash it, it will become very clean. By using this shampoo over a period of time, it makes your hair healthier and it can restore your hair's natural shine, strength and balance. And since there are no fragrances, you can add a little bit of essential oil, which not only smells great but also provide additional benefits like it will soothe your scalp or promote hair growth. So this is the benefit of making homemade shampoos. So try this and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, you can subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.